Freiberg disease or Freiberg's infarction is a disease which is seen in adolescent girls more commonly as compared to boys, and this is due to infarction in the metatarsal head. So the second metatarsal head is the most common involved, usually seen in athletics and sports girls. This problem is usually due to a heavy activity, heavy participation in sports. It causes pain in the forefoot, swelling and stiffness in the region of second metatarsal, and this pain is worse with weight bearing. This is usually more commonly seen on the dorsal aspect. This problem is more commonly seen in those patients who have long second metatarsal. Now there is a Smiley's classification, which is there are 5 types of Freiberg's disease. Type 1 is only MRI based, type 2 is X-ray changes, type 3 is dorsal collapse, type 4 is entire head is collapsed, and type 5 is arthritic involvement of the metatarsal head. Now this is a difficult problem to treat. We treat this problem initially with restriction of activities, immobilization and painkillers and anti-inflammatory drugs like NSAIDs. We need to give patient rest. Avoidance of sports activity is very important. In very rare patients, the problem may not be solved with these things. In those patients, we can undergo a surgery which is called as a MTP arthrotomy, removal of loose bodies, and you can do either drill hole procedures, microfracture or interposition arthroplasty for the treatment of this condition. So friends, I hope that I am able to describe Freiberg's disease in detail. If you have any more doubts regarding Freiberg's disease, don't hesitate to write us on the comment box. Thank you.